Welcome back to another YouTube channel, our 7th series of unboxing DC action figure, our toy collections. This time the Batmobile from Batman Classic 1966 TV series.
My dad's favorite one.
Yeah. It's a 1966 Batman TV series. So let's check it out. Yo.
Ayoko talaga. Okay, this is another version of those Batman mobiles. I mean the Batmobiles, but it is smaller. That's why there's no person and stuff.
Yeah,
Because this is smaller.
it's a classic TV series edition.
Yep.
Like
Yep. Like that.
I don't remember the year. That.
Yeah. I think we bought this when Toys R Us.
Yeah,
The
Toy
event?
Fair.
Yeah, the Toy Fair.
Yeah.
This is it. It actually have Batman, and then I think Robin is inside the car. Let's go find it. Okay. Wait.
Oops, be careful.
You do it. You do it. We should brought another knife.
You cut it, not facing on face on you. You cut it. Like that.
Oh. Wait, there's a.
It's different because it's not Hot Toys, Hot
Yeah.
Wheels.
Yeah, Hot Wheels, not toys.
It's not a Hot Wheels,
Yep.
so it's different. It's a metal die cast.
Yep. I don't know what is that mean, but. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Open this up. Yup. Oh no. Yeah. This is them. This is Batman. And yep, I knew it. Robin is inside the car. It's like there is Robin and then Batman. Let's go find out. I think there's screws under him. There's food.
Is there a screw?
Yep, there's a screw.
Face on you.
Yep, it's all done. Okay, so this is Batman. It's Batman. And you have his cape. But this is designed to Batman is designed to display. That's why you cannot move him
think he can join to Robin?
Yeah, yeah. No, I think he can't join Robin because he can't like sit down.
Can sit beside Robin?
But maybe Legos.
Yeah, maybe Lego. We can try Lego.
And you can open the doors. Like just like that.
Oh,
And let's see if Robin can get out of the car. See?
I think he can.
Yeah, you can take Robin out of the car. He's stick through. But Legos can get in. Yup. I think there's no like opening here and stuff.
It's simple.
Yeah, it's just a normal car, and Batman can sit down. So there's no driver, but Legos. I think that's all for this. Yep, and there's a there's a bat sign. It's a bat sign over here. And you can open the doors. Oh yeah, there's a bat sign here too. You can open the doors. 2 doors can be opened. Robin can't like get out. See, it's stick through. And yep, the wheels can move. But this one you can turn the wheels.
Just like the Hot Wheels.
Yep, just like the Hot Wheels you can.
Going to show the size of this Batmobile. It's a 8.5 inches. And the height is 2.5.
And then Batman here.
And the Batman
Here is it's just 2.5 inches. Yeah,
2.5.
2.5.
So
Here. 2.5. Just 2.5. See, you can open the doors. I don't know if there's. Why can you roll these? I think there's something here. Let's figure it out. No, there's nothing.
okay.
Batman and Robin, courageous warriors against crime. They are off once again to the rescue. Batmobile to airport.
for the DC hot 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 mobiles. That's all for Batman, DCs. That's all.
Yeah, because
Yep.
some other
Yeah.
DC action figures are already open,
Yeah.
so we can show them also later.
Yep. And yeah, we're gonna video another toys like Marvels and stuff.
Yeah, the Marvels.
Oh, but wait, we're gonna video the Star Wars.
Yeah,
Yeah, we have Star Wars. We got
Marvel
Marvels
and
and some other toys that they don't have like groups and stuff because we didn't have the chance to like open. We didn't have the chance to buy all of them.
yeah,
Yeah, but some of them there have like groups like DC's, Marvels, Star Wars.
yeah.
Yeah.
We can show them all
Yep.
to you.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna video them later. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you
Thank
for
you for
watching.
watching and subscribe and like if you like the video.
Yeah,
And please don't judge us because this is our first time.
yeah.
Bye bye.
We're just enjoying our
Yeah. Unboxing.
unboxing our toys.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.